Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I will be doing an unboxing of a recent JetPens haul that I did. If you are unfamiliar with what JetPens is, they are an online stationery store that's based out of California. And I wanted to make this haul just because my birthday is coming up and I wanted to get a few new pens since it's been a while. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first item that I got is the Kiritake Zig Clean Color Dot Marker, and I have the original 12 shades that are in kind of a pastel or tropical color scheme, but I just wanted a plain black one just for the dotted end to obviously make dots with, as well as writing in big bold letters. And then the second item here are the Sakura Jelly Roll Metallic gel pens. I've already used several of these, so I just wanted to get some backups of these. And I will be doing swatches of these at the end for those of you who are curious. These are the Sakura Jelly Roll Silver Shadow gel pens. So I have never tried these before, but I've known about them for several years and I wanted to go ahead and give these a try. They come in the Silver Shadow, which is what I have here, and then they also have a set of Gold Shadow. However, I thought that these looked a little bit more interesting on the paper, so I went ahead and grabbed a pack of these. Next, I have some more Sakura Jelly Roll gel pens. These are in the Moonlight line. These are some new shades that they released recently. These are just the pastel shades, and I have all of the other Jelly Roll Moonlight pens, so I wanted to go ahead and get this one for my collection as well. This next set here is the Uni-1. These two packs are actually limited edition packs that JetPens offers. They just come with 3 of the gel pens. I can't tell which one is which, but one of them is the Hanari and the other is the Mayabi. So sorry if I'm not pronouncing those correctly, but the 2 limited edition uni-ball 1 gel pens. And then these are also the uni-ball 1 gel pens. This was specifically a 7-color set of just some very beautiful, soft, muted colors. Again, I'm blanking on the name. I'll try and link it down below. Next, I got one of the new sets of the Zebra mild liners. This one is in the neutral color selection, I believe. And then the last pen that I got is just a gold metallic pen. It is the Uni-ball Signo Noble Metal Metallic Gel Pen. And then last but not least are these little washi tapes. So it comes in a set of 3, but they're 3 different rolls of watercolor styled washi tape. So onto the swatches. I'm just going to be demonstrating everything in a B5 Archer and Olive. So first was this Kiritake Zig Clean Color Dot Marker. So it comes with a fine tip end or a bullet nib, and then on this side then it comes with a large dotted end. So this is kind of like a spongy tip. So I will just go ahead and add a header for this page. Just zoomed you guys in a little bit so you can see. So this is the Kiritake Zig Clean Color Dot. So this is the 0.5 millimeter side, and then the larger tip. And depending on how hard you press these, you can get either smaller or larger dots. So for very gentle dabs, then you get small dots, and then the harder you press, the larger it'll get. Next are the Sakura Jelly Roll metallic shades. This first one is the silver one. Okay, so next we'll go ahead and do the copper shade. The copper and gold ones are my favorite. I actually don't use the silver one as much, but it's also just really nice to have. And then last we have the gold one. So next we have the Sakura Jelly Roll Silver Shadow Pens. I'll go ahead and swatch these. Very interesting. I'm not sure if you noticed that, but upon initial application, then it looks like this orange color or whatever color that you're using, and then as it dries, then it has this very interesting silver inside to it. So it's very cool. Alright, so there are the silver shadow ones. They look pretty interesting. Alright, next are the Sakura Jelly Roll Moonlight Pastel shades. So these Moonlight ones, then they work very nicely on white paper as well as dark paper. So they'll show up on dark paper very vibrantly as well, which is one of the reasons why I really like these. And if there are any pens that you want more in-depth reviews on, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to record a separate video reviewing specific pens and just providing more details and go in more depth about them. Alright, so there are the pastel gel pens. So here's what these look like. They're dual-ended, so they have a little bullet nib on one end, and then they have the chisel tip on the other. So there are the Zebra mild liners. They're very nice. Moving on to the uni-ball 1 gel pens. I'll be swatching the limited edition sets first. I wish I can remember which one is which, but I cannot read Japanese, unfortunately. I've never tried these before, but my initial impressions are that it's quite smooth. And I don't think I mentioned this yet, but the uni-ball 1 gel pens, then they come in 2 different tip sizes. So the ones that I got are in the 0.38 millimeter, and then they also have ones that come in 0.5, so slightly larger. However, I tend to gravitate towards the smaller nibs, or the smaller tips rather, just because I like to write smaller if possible. There is the first limited edition set, and then here are the other shades of the limited edition collection. So these aren't actually the names of these pens by any means. I'm just naming them based off of what color they are. But moving on to the other set, they're the 7 color set, and I forgot what this one was called as well. So for this 7 color set, because they came individually, then they have these stickers on them, and they actually do say the name right on the sticker. There you go. The ones that came in the limited edition ones, because they came in a set, then they don't have these stickers on them, so it doesn't have anywhere on the body what color it is. Oops. Just completely skipped the 1 gel pen in that. Oh well. I'm sure by now you guys know what gel pens these are. Alright, so there are all the uni-ball 1 gel pen swatches. And then the last pen I'm just going to swatch is this uni-ball Signo Gold Metallic gel pen. There is that one. It's very pretty. I like it a lot. Just going to compare it to the Sakura one from earlier. I think the Jelly Roll one kind of has more of a warm tint to it, or a little more antique. The Signo has a little bit more yellow to it. So last but not least, we have the washi tapes, so I will go ahead and just swatch them out for you on here as well. They come on kind of like this tube that's holding them all together, so I have never seen that before. there is the first swatch. Oh, so these are actually perforated. So you get this clean cut for the second one, from what I can tell. Sorry, it's a little crooked, but yeah, this one is just kind of like a little dab of watercolor. And then here is the third one. So they have a little bit of what was the previous color. If you wanted to cut that off, you can. But yeah, these are very pretty and very cute. I think they'll be very nice for like headers and then maybe like days of the week or something like that for these smaller ones. So yeah, they're very, very cute. Alright guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me and pen test, swatch test, whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments down below, or if there are any specific pens that you'd like me to review more in depth in a separate video. I can definitely do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.